So we had a little technical difficulty, boys and girls. So we're talking about line symmetric and line of symmetry. And the solve and share was, how many ways can you fold the square so one half fits exactly on top of the other half? How many ways can you fold the letter so one half fits exactly on top of the other half? Okay. Here are my 4 examples of squares I have on the board here. And let's see if your answers match up with mine. So, line symmetric. If we put a line straight down the middle, did anybody do that? Notice, if you fold it, side A is exactly the same size as side B. This is your line of symmetry, right? And line symmetric is when you fold both those on top of one another. So that's one way. Also, okay. So we have right to left, now we have top to bottom. The red line represents the line of symmetry, and the line symmetric, shape A, shape B. You fold those on top of one another. Both of those shapes are exactly the same. Okay? Now, so that's 2 ways. Okay? That black line is your line of symmetry. So we're going to fold it, and when we fold it, line symmetric A folds on top of B. They both have the same shape there, okay? So that's 3 ways. Anybody have 3 ways so far? Good, 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 good. And you could have had a fold all right. So that green line is your line of symmetry. And when you fold it, your line symmetric object A, line symmetric shape B. Once you fold those on top of one another, boys and girls, what happens? They both form the exact same shape. So how many of you all had 4 different ways that you could fold that square? Good, good job, good, excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, now, so I'm going to put here 4 ways for the square. So now let's look at this G. How many ways did you all come up with folding this G so you had a line of symmetry, and both, when you folded it, both sides looked exactly alike? How many of y'all had 1? Who had 2? 3? Wow, hands are not raising. So how many did you all have? Very good. No matter how you try to divide this G, boys and girls, There's no way you can fold this shape where one side will be exactly like the other side. Excellent job. So the answer to what figures can you form for this letter G? The answer is none. Good job. So there's no ways you can fold that G where they're exactly alike, but with this square, there's 4 different ways. And think about this. When we fold this square, what other shape do you think that you saw here? Right. When you folded that square, you saw a rectangle or a triangle. Okay. How many of y'all got all those correct? Good job. Good job. So think about that again for a second, boys and girls, before we go on to part C.